Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you just click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so then you click here on pointer control, you just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to automatically hit pointer, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean automatically hit pointer enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.